G'day crew, it's Zoe the Video Confidence Coach here. I just wanted to quickly thank you so much for joining us next week, the 22nd of August, for the Video Made Easy workshop that's happening at Creative Geelong. So I just want to give you a quick little lowdown ahead of time. Below on this page, you'll see that I have a little question bubble for you there. If you have any questions that you want to ask ahead of time, feel free to drop those down below and I'll make sure to answer them during the workshop, or I'll answer them privately if you like as well. So before we meet next week, what I would love for you guys to do is to check down below that little bubble. You've got a link to the Video Confidence Crew, which is our Facebook group, where we talk with other people who are going through the same journey as you, and also learning and getting some unique exclusive stuff from us at the Video Confidence Coach. So I'd love for you to join that, and you can be ready to go for next week, I should say. And if you're not much one for Facebook, down below that is a link to our email list where we send you an email around about every fortnight, probably a little less because I am a little lazy about emails, a little bit, but we send it to you every fortnight with details about upcoming workshops, but helpful skills and tricks for you to learn to get your own video off the ground, because hopefully that's where you're coming. We are so pumped to have you coming on the 22nd, and we are so ready to do this. So if you have any questions, pop them down below, join our Facebook group or join the emailing list, and we will see you Thursday next week at 5:30. Bye. Oh yeah, should remember my own sign off. Bye.